How to make alliance banner in Whiteout Survival. So once you go into your alliance, you should be able to do this directly in the territory section. So once you press on territory and go to the territory buildings, right here you can see the alliance banners, how many are built, how many can be built, and so on. So depending on how many buildables you have, you should be able to place it if you are high enough in the rankings. So for this specific alliance, you can only add alliance banners if you are R4 or above. So if you're at that rank, you should be able to place those banners. So right here, I just created a new alliance to test this out. So once we go back to our territory and our territory buildings, we should be able to see our buildable banners. There's also extra alliance banners over here, which would be unlocked if we increase the tactical inspection research thing, which should be found over in the tech sections. But anyways, you can go ahead and place our alliance banners now. Once we have our alliance HQ, and once we do, we can just go ahead and depend on ourselves on wherever we want to place the banners in the map, and of course if it's available to be placed there. So anyways, that's how you place banners in Whiteout Survival. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.